Heavy snow is taking a deadly toll on Colorado wildlife, with over 100 pronghorn killed on the eastern plains. We want to warn you, the video we're about to air includes dead animals, but we've decided to show the severity of this problem. This includes 52 fatalities on US 36 east of Byers. Colorado Parks and Wildlife officials say pronghorns are drawn to roadways because they're easier to walk on during snowfall conditions, and sometimes they even sleep on them due to the warmth. CPW is exploring the possibility of a wildlife crossing in the area. They are also urging drivers to slow down, especially after snowstorms, to protect both wildlife and drivers.